What an idiot. Last time I did a beautiful job with defragmentation disordered, where we basically had to push all of these data cubes in this room representing computer memory up so there are no spaces between them. And I wrote this beautiful code to do just that. Does it look like shit? Yes. Is it slow? Not really. Is it way too long? Yes. But does it get the job done? Well, yes, it does. This time we're gonna do essentially the same thing, but based on the number, I'm guessing it's gonna be ordered. So the data cubes are gonna have to be in a specific order. Unlike last time, where we didn't care about that. We've got this guy, this dumb boss with short legs. I think he said it once. The other lady has taken a permanent vacation, left the company. I hated her. That's fine. I hate you too. Oh, you had to make your own coffee this morning. It's already made. Waiting for you in the break room. Have you been drinking her coffee? The order must be maintained. What you mean maintained? Just like the previous assignment, yeah? Take the data cubes towards the top of the room with no gaps, but this time keep them in their current order. What do you mean current order? So do I have to move this cube towards the left? I mean, we did... I'm gonna place an if statement and hopefully he's not gonna talk next time I'm back. But I think I've done something similar to this. Was it lazy pathway? Sorting floor? Probably. No, that's not it. Lazy pathways. Surely. No, not it. A glory hole? No, I remember that one. Understaffed sorting, there we go. No, was I drunk? I'm sure I've done this before, and I might or might not have gotten a lot of hate for it, because the code I wrote was pretty shit. I mean, seriously? Come on. I've written that code already. Was it this one and I'm just not remembering correctly? Because here we also had to sort it. Yes, I think so, but that doesn't help. Right. Oh no, he's talking. Shut up. Shut up. Shush. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. I'm gonna probably need a code from, the last week's puzzle. I mean, come on. I've been at this puzzle for 5 minutes already and I haven't done shit. Oh no, he's talking again. I can feel it's gonna go great. Oh boy. So the way this code works is that we first take a few steps up, 3 to be precise, so they should be standing on this row. Then, thanks to this loop and this if statement, they pick up a cube in their vicinity. Then they walk up there and then what do they do then? They drop the cube if they can, otherwise they walk right. Let's just see, this code isn't gonna work, right? Yeah, speed this up, they're gonna place the cube, but they're gonna be in the... yeah. And it hasn't ended, so that's the wrong order. I think we might have to discard this anyway. The code is shit and it should be pretty easy to write again anyway. Yeah, and we can't do it like this actually. So, I think they should all start here, walk right, and once they see a cube, they should shuffle back and place it there. So let's start by walking left. If to the left of you there isn't a hole, you step left and repeat. So they should all be here. Then they should go up. Once there, they should walk right. But every time they should check whether they've, come across an empty space. So let's say we're gonna have a boolean in memory 1 set to 0, and it's gonna be no, false, I haven't encountered an empty space yet. What you're gonna do then is, if to the right of you there isn't a wall, meaning you can go right, you're gonna step right. Then you're gonna see if there isn't a data cube, you have encountered an empty space. So set memory 1 to 1. If, however, memory 1 has already been set to 1 and you're actually standing on a data cube, you should pick it up and then you want to shuffle it towards the left side. Or up one row, I think. Otherwise, you keep going. Now, once you've gone all the way to the right side and you haven't picked up the cube, we're gonna, deal with this a little later, but you've gone all the way to the right, what you need to do then is step down and walk all the way to the left side and basically reset. But I think we can do it in another way. Yeah. Let's switch these two if statements. So first, they're gonna go up and then left, which means here, once they finish this, they're all the way to right, they step down, then they can just go left again and continue. But before stepping right here, they should first do these two checks in case the first cell in the row should be picked. I think I'm wrong because I'm doing two things at the same time, writing a shitty code and trying to optimize it on the run before I've actually completed it. Anyway, I think this is done, but we need to figure out where to place down the cubes once they have picked them up. So what I think could happen are two things. Either backtrack to where you went before and find an empty space, or they could go all the way to here and just do all of this again, but place down the cube. That might perhaps be faster and better and easier to write. What I'm afraid is that they're gonna skip one another and one of them is gonna be there faster than the other. But we could try it. So they've picked up the cube. First of all, the upper spot, we're gonna remember it. So set here, sorry, here, they should be all the way up and all the way to the left. Okay, wait a second. Yeah, this is how we're gonna do it. It's not pretty, but this is the spot when they are all the way to the top left. So what we need to do is memory 2, we're gonna say, is the current position, this data cube. So they should be able to walk back to it every time. The problem is this jump right here. They jump back and reuse this bit of code. There's 3 commands we save by doing this jump, but the jump cost us 1 command, and now I'm about to place 2 commands here to fix them resetting this number every time they do this. Is it worth it? I think not. Probably not. Yeah, screw it. Let's make it simple. So first, memory 1 is 0. Go all the way up, all the way to the left. Remember the top left cube. Then walk right. If you see a non-data cube, you remember you're looking to pick one up. If you're looking to pick one up and you can pick one up, pick it up. Then I'd say you also are no longer looking to pick one up. So reset memory 1 to 0. And once you've picked up a cube, you want to jump. No, you want to step to memory 2. So to the top left corner. Then you jump to here and start walking again like this. And if you reach an empty spot with your data cube, you place it down. So if under you there isn't a data cube, I'd say if you are holding a data cube as well, you just drop it. Otherwise, you set to 1 and you jump all the way back and keep going. Yeah, this is gonna work. I mean, how easy was that? 22 commands. Surely we've got it. Come on. I mean, this is gonna fail beautifully. I can't wait. What? Why is she down there? Have I messed it up already? She ended her program. Oh, why did I do that? Step right. This needs a jump. Oh, because I removed the jump and I didn't realize we were gonna need it anyway. Okay, what an idiot. What an idiot. Well, never mind. So I was wrong before by saving the 1 command. Where is she going? Oh, we need another jump. There. So you step right here, because to the right there isn't a hole. So you want to go all the way to the right in a single row. So repeat that. Now, please work. Okay, we're done. So you are not standing on a data cube. Are you holding a data cube? No. So else, set to 1. We've got it at 1. Great. Now jump to there. It's 1 and it's not a data cube. So you skip that. Not a data cube. Wait, this jump shouldn't be here. Should it? Oh, shit. So anyway, when they do this, we need them to take a step right always. So this jump shouldn't be there. Step right. Every time they should step right. Yes. Yes. Let's do it again. Yes. 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 what are you doing now? Is there a hole? Yes, there is. Which means you skip this if statement and there's the infinite jump. I think I might be an idiot. Actually, this jump should be here. Yes, I mean 7th times charm, right? Oh, oh! I forgot to reset them to the left, haven't I? Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, those are the optimizations. I shouldn't really be doing that. I mean, I'm really sorry, guys. If you still know what's going on in this video, I mean, heads off to you, because I have no idea. How can anyone understand this bullshit? This jump should be to here, then reset so they are here, step jump there so go left all the way, and then they reset this memory, which they shouldn't, so I'll say only set it if memory 2 is set to nothing, then set it. So that should be the first run through, and then every time they reuse this bit of code, there shouldn't be a problem. Let's see. Now, this should work. So this lady is going right already. She has encountered an empty spot. So she knows she has seen one, takes the cube. What do you mean you can't step to nothing? What? Okay, let's try again, because this has screwed it up. All the way up. Then, yeah, if memory 2 is... Oh, it's 0, not nothing. Oh, shoot. An idiot. So if it's at 0, then you set it. Okay, now it's gonna work. So this is this like a singleton type of thing? Basically means only initialize it once at the start. That should be it. Anyway, she now knows there's an empty spot, encountered a data cube, goes all the way back and starts walking again. When she sees the and places it down and keeps walking. With her memory 1 reset to 0, which is here. This one, memory 1 should be to 0. She has, oh no, sorry, she has seen an empty space there. So she's fine. Why has no one picked this 80? So you, lady. Yeah, keep going, step right. Is there a hole? No, there isn't. No, there isn't, so you step down. Okay, we have to redo this. So I'm just gonna put all of these if statements outside this whole thing. So they do all of this, then see, is there a hole to the right? If not, you jump where? To here. Yeah, to here. That's fine. So you do all of this again, but if there is a hole, you step down. And then you jump where? All the way to the top. Yeah. Which means they should no longer ignore this corner cube. Let's do this faster now. And they are still ignoring it. Why are they ignoring it? You, sir, go ahead. Step right, please. Oh, wait. Step right and steer a hole and they jump. Okay, so we need like a do while. So we should have done this and we need to jump and do it again. We need to flip the order of operation. And I think we can... Can we do it? No, we can't. I need them to step first, then check this. But they can't step first. They have to check it first. And then, you know... Oh, I know. So if to the right of you there isn't a hole, step right at this point and repeat all of this forever. But if there is a hole, you jump to here. No, that's still the same, isn't it? How do I do this? My brain got fried. So they check all of this stuff. They could be here. There isn't a hole to the right, so step and jump here. Check all of that. There is a hole, so don't step. Step down. Yes, this is gonna work now. Is it? Oh yes, they've picked it up. Yeah. Oh, they are going. Look at that. Yeah, go left and place it. Yeah. Oh, look at... That's gonna work. Come on. It has to work, surely. It's gonna take like 10 minutes to complete, granted, but it's gonna work. And now the game is gonna tell me that I actually didn't understand the assignment, which is gonna really piss me off. Because what do they mean by sorted? Does it mean by size? I mean, probably, but what the shit? Please tell me it worked. Yes, it worked. It freaking worked. And look at it, 24. What the f... Fuck, I've done it! Are you shitting me? Oh, yes! I can't even speak right now. I'm so happy. I honestly thought that this would be way too long, way too dumb, way too complicated. At the end, I really got scared that I, didn't understand the assignment and that it was completely something different. And I spent the last 30 minutes doing this BS. But it worked. All the optional challenges have been completed. How could have this been easier than the last level? Oh, and the next level is gonna be a binary counter. Well, no way in hell I'm doing that. There's only 4 more levels to go. This makes me really emotional and sad. Look at the journey. Look at all of these failed optional challenges. What am I gonna do then? There are no more coding games like this one.